Hello, my lovely people. You are welcome back to my channel. I greet you according to your time and according to the time you are seeing this video. How are you doing? I hope you are good. We are still at the gist from the palace of Oni of Ife, my people. Oh, hey, hey, hey. No be small thing, no. You see, when you there for this life and you think that you can get everything with your strength and the strength of jazz, and then you go know say you don dey start dey make a lot of mistake, and the one day you go backfire. Yes, so allegedly you don hear say aunty blue blue, she don try her best, she don appear disappear, do everything wey she fit do make she know whether to get the king back to herself is going to be possible, but you don see say it's not possible. It's not possible because it's not supposed to be possible. Allegedly you know say the king said that all of them that they must leave, but she said that over her Bible they will she leave. But she don't know that what you don't want others to do to you, don't do it to others. As they are treating Kunomi the way they treated her, they don't want the king to tell them to leave the palace, but they came to the palace and frustrated Kunomi out of her own marriage. Now the king is telling them to come back. Because what we heard was that the king said that they must leave the palace so that Kunomi will come back. That if they did not leave, Kunomi is not coming back. And the king derives more joy when with Queen Naomi. He feels so relaxed. He feel accepted. He feel happy. He feel every good thing whenever he is with Queen Naomi. And you know that every Sunday almost we heard that he used to go to Akure after church service. If he did not go for service, he will go to Akure to stay with Mama Tadenikawo and Tadenikawo. Every Saturday, Kunomi will bring Tadenikawo to him in the palace. They will stay together. Then every Sunday, he will go to their house. And when he goes there, he relax. And that is why they said that the other day, he told Kunomi that if you don't want to go back to the palace with me, I'm not going to leave this place. I'm going to sleep this place. And Kunomi started panicking and went to the palace with her. On getting to the palace, Kunomi drove back again. At least he has gone. So my people, you see for this life, no trust anybody. You see, that thing you want others to do to you, that you will like, do it to others. They will also like it. Don't trust anybody. See as you don't go meet, see as Aunty Igbe don't go meet Kabiyesi and told Kabiyesi that our husband there be Kabiyesi long live the king. You will see good things. Miracle will come your way. The Lord will strengthen you. The Lord will do this for you and do that for you. You're going to be great in life. You will not do this and do that. Please, I just come to plead with you that you should at least accept to give me this offer. This is an offer that she's ashamed of herself. As in, she already feel ashamed of herself not leaving the palace. That what about when she will not leave completely? How is she going to feel? Like, why is it that they want them to leave the palace? And the king have given her Yeyoluwa before, as we heard, she said. Though when the king gave her the Yeyoluwa was when she newly came in. Maybe her jazz was still alive, breathing up and down, and the thing was working. Unfortunately, when the thing come breathe up, it did not breathe down again. That is when we now heard that the king collected the Yeyoluwa from her, and because she's not married to it, she's not worthy to be it. They said that the king collected it and locked Kunomi's apartment. You see, when Kunomi left too. So right now we heard that she went to the king and told the king that shame is catching her. You don't know how she's going to do this thing, leaving the palace now. what will people say about her, and this and that. And she doesn't want to lose she doesn't want to lose Ooni of Ife, because she don lost everything she have. She's going to give Ooni of Ife more of what she has if Kunimi did not return back to the palace. And I was like, hey, my people. Anyway, let's just watch and see that if the king will allow Kunimi not to come back to the palace, that she's going to give every other thing that she have to the king. That is, they want to bribe the king right now. So my people, allegedly we heard that Ooni of Ife did not listen and said that she must Ooni of Ife that Aunty Mariam must leave. That there is no need pleading that she should not leave. That she must leave. That is a must. And I was like, anyway, my people, no be small thing o, no be small thing. And Olori Mariam, she knows exactly all the things she have been doing against Queen. Maybe she don do, come see say the thing no work. And she just came back to ask the king to speak on her behalf to Queen Naomi. Let her not leave. That e get as e be wey she go answer Yeyoluwa for this life, and later she will just leave. No be say na anything happen o. Say that the thing come dey give her concern o. She's not happy that anything should make the king to send her away, bringing back Queen Naomi. That if Ooni of Ife will take everything that she has, so that the king will not bring back Queen Naomi. I was like, which kind of sacrifice is this? Someone paying to terminate another person's blessing. Anyway, as she don tell Ooni of Ife say she will bring money now, make the king no bring Queen Naomi back. It's left for the king to listen now, because know that the king is not going to listen to such nonsense advice. And she had been unhappy. They said that when she was in the sitting room speaking to the king, that the king left her there and they woke up and they left. My people, no be small thing o. No be small thing. Allegedly, my people, make una no forget say na alleged information we dey share from this channel. Thank you, and please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you, my God will bless you. Amen.